Dear students, until yesterday class in mathematics 1A, the chapter trigonometry, we have completed the concept and sums of worked examples, example 16 examples we handled. Before going to discuss the concept of exercise 6D, before going to discuss exercise 6D, total 16 examples are there. In previous class we said we have finished 16 examples and in exercise 60 the Roman number 1 2 sums we have finished. Let us start today exercise 60 trigonometry mathematics 1A Roman number 1 sums. Roman number 1 second question, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Among them, first one, 6 sine 20 degrees, 6 sine 20 degrees minus 8 sine cube 20 degrees. 6 sine 20 degrees minus 8 sine cube 20 degrees. Here, take 2 common. So, 2 into 3 sine 20 degrees minus 4 sine cube 20 degrees. Write the formula of 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A formula sine 3A. So that is equal to 2 into here sine 3A means sine 3 into 20 degrees. 3 into 20 means 60. So 2 into sine 60 degrees. The value of sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. The value of given equation is here root 3. Now second question. Cos square 72 degrees minus sin square 54 degrees. Cos square 72 degrees minus sin square 54 degrees. This we can write as sin square 18 degrees minus cos square 36 degrees. Because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now this can be written as sin square 18 minus cos square 36. Sin 18 proof I said in previous class 3 days back. I said the value of sin square 8. Sin 18 proof. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 total whole square. This is sin square 18 minus cos 18 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 total whole square. Now we can understand as root 5 minus 1 whole square minus of root 5 plus 1 whole square whole by 16. Write the formula here, a minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square equal to minus 4ab. That is equal to minus 4 into root 5 into 1 whole by 16. Here 4 will be dividing 4 times, so this value is minus root 5 by 4. Minus root 5 by 4. Next one, sin square 42 minus sin square 12. The value of sin square 42 degrees. Sin square 42 degrees minus sin square 12 degree. Remember the formula sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B formula sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. This can be written as sin of 42 degrees plus 12 degrees. Sin of 42 degrees plus 12 degrees into sin of 42 degrees minus 12 degrees. So that is equal to Sin 42 plus 12 becomes 54 degrees into sin 42 minus 12 becomes 30 degrees. Now sin 54 value is nothing but cos 36. Of course it is root 5 plus 1 by 4 root 5 z. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So multiply the two terms and write here as root 5 plus 1 by 8. This is the value. Next, let us going to discuss Roman number 1, Faraday's law. Roman number 1, Faraday's law. Express sin 4 theta by sin theta. Express sin 4 theta by sin theta in terms of cos cube theta comma cos theta. In terms of cos cube theta and cos theta. Now sin 4 theta can be written as LHS. Of course, this is only sin 4 theta. I am writing as sin 4 theta by sin theta is equal to sin of 3 theta plus theta whole by sin theta. Now, this is on the form sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now, you can write here sin 3 theta into cos theta plus cos 3 theta into sin theta whole by sin theta. That is equal to, write the formula of sin 3 theta as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta into cos theta plus 4 cos cube theta formula, 4 cos 3 theta formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta into sin theta whole by sin theta. Here in these two terms, take sin theta common. Sin theta taken common, you can write here 3 minus 4 into sin square theta into cos theta plus sin theta into here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole by sin theta. Now sin theta taken common. Sin theta taken common, 3 minus 4 into, instead of sin theta you should write 1, the sin square theta here, 1 minus cos square theta plus sin theta taken common overall. So you can write here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole by sin theta. This sin theta will be getting cancelled. Now that is equal to 3 minus 4 minus of minus becomes plus 4 cos square. Of course, here cos theta is there. I like to forget here, forget to write here cos theta. 3 cos theta minus 4 cos theta. 3 cos theta minus 4 cos theta minus of minus 4 cos cube theta plus again here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta plus 4 cos cube theta, write here as 8 cos theta plus of course 3 cos theta and 3 cos theta cancel minus 4 cos theta. This is the value of sin 4 theta by sin theta in terms of cos cube theta and cos theta we got as 8 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta. Now third question, Roman number 1, general number 3rd, Roman number 2. Express. These are all objective questions. Express cos power 6a plus sin power 6a express cos power 6a plus sin power 6a in terms of sin 2a, in terms of sin 2a. Now take cos power 6a plus sin power 6a. Cos power 6a plus sin power 6a, right, as cos square a whole cube plus sin square a whole cube. Write the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Depends upon this formula. Here you can understand a is equal to cos square a and b is equal to sin square a. So write here the formula cos square a plus sin square a whole cube minus 3 into cos square a into sin square a into within the brackets here you can write cos square a plus sin square a. The value of cos square a plus sin square a, we know that it is 1. 1 cube minus 3 into, you can write here the sin square a cos square a into, of course it is 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 I am writing. 3 by 4 into sin square, 4 sin square a cos square a. Sir, why did you multiply and divide with 4 that value? Because we are having the formula sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a whole square is 4 sin square a and cos square a. Here he is asking that we should convert the value in terms of sin 2a. So here 4 sin square a cos square a can be written as 2 sin a cos a whole square, and later next step it is sin 2a whole square. That is why 1 minus, you can write here 1 minus 3 by 4 into, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 sin a cos a whole square. 2 sin a cos a whole square. So the value of 2 sin a cos a meaning sin 2a. So 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin 2a whole square. Enough. This is also can be written as 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a is the required answer. Now, express 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by third Roman third column. Express 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. In terms of tan theta by 2. That is equal to, write the formula 1 minus cos theta, formula submultiple angle 2 sin square theta by 2 plus the sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole by here 1 plus cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Take common 2 sin theta by 2 into here sin theta by 2 plus cos theta whole by 2 cos theta by 2 take common here, then you can write here cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Here these values get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Of course, sin theta by 2 by cot theta by 2 gives the tan theta by 2 directly. So it is nothing but a proof. He might have given that, simply prove that. Now, let us going to discuss about fourth question. If fourth first one is there, if sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, if sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, where pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, evaluate cos 3 alpha and tan 2 alpha. Evaluate cos 3 alpha comma tan 2 alpha. You should calculate cos and tan in the 3 alpha and 2 alpha terminology. So he given the condition that pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi. So you need to calculate the characteristic of alpha. So pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi. So pi by 2 means this is 90 less than alpha less than 180. So alpha belongs to Q2 here. Alpha belongs to Q2. Now we need to calculate 3. So multiply with 3 here. 3 pi by 2 less than 3 alpha less than 3 pi. So 3 pi by 2 means 270. 3 pi meaning 540. 540 is nothing but 360 plus 180. So again 180. So 3 alpha belongs to, we cannot say properly. So depends upon this one, we write cos 3 alpha. Okay, then cos alpha we will write, because alpha belongs to Q2 here. Sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Draw a diagram here. This put here alpha. Sin alpha means opposite by hypotenuse. This is 4. Since alpha belongs to Q2, since alpha belongs to Q2, here you write cos alpha is equal to minus 4 by 5. Now cos 3 alpha, we need to calculate cos 3 alpha. Cos 3 alpha formula 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, that is equal to 4 into minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 4 into minus 64 by 125 plus 12 by 5. Here take LCM. This is 125. 4 into minus 64 becomes minus 256. Plus 5 will be divided with 25 times. 25 12s are 300. 300 minus 256 is 44. 44 by 125 is the cos 3 alpha. Now tan 2 alpha we need to take. Since alpha belongs to Q2, here we can write. Since alpha belongs to Q2, tan alpha is equal to, in second quadrant tan is negative. So tan alpha is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now we should calculate the value of tan 2 alpha. The formula of tan 2 alpha we have written using some multiple angles. Tan 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. So tan 2 alpha is equal to here 2 into minus 3 by 4 whole by 1 minus of minus 3 by 4 whole square, that is equal to here minus 6 by 4 whole by 1 minus, this is 9 by 16, that is equal to, take an LCM here, minus 6 by 4 by 16 minus 9 by 16, that is equal to minus 6 by 4 into 16 by 7. So this 4 will be divided 4 times. Therefore, tan 2 alpha is equal to here 6 into minus 4 becomes minus 24 by 7. Minus 24 by 7 is the value of tan 2 alpha. fourth one, second bit. If cos A is equal to 7 by 25 and 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi, find the value of cot A by 2. Find the value of cot A by 2. Cos A is equal to 7 by 25. Whenever 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 meaning 270 and 2 pi meaning 360. The angle A lies between 270 and 360. It gives that A lies in fourth quadrant. So here you write A belongs to Q4. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So right here, cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. During right angle triangle concept, this is 24 because 25 whole square minus 7 whole square, 625 minus 49 becomes 576. 576 square root is 24. Now we need to calculate cot A by 2. In the multiple submultiple angle, I said the formula. Okay, students, given here, given 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. So by 2 with 2 you divide, it becomes 3 pi by 4 less than A by 2 less than pi. So 3 pi by 4 means 135, this is 180. A by 2 belongs to 135 comma 180. So A by 2 belongs to Q2. So in quadrant 2, cot is negative. I said the formula, cot A by 2 is equal to root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Depends upon the characteristic, we should put here minus. So minus root of 1 plus here cos A. So no need to calculate this, simply 7 by 25. No need this, directly you can write 1 plus 7 by 25 by 1 minus 7 by 25. 1 plus 7 by 25 by 1 minus 7 by 25. Take LCM here, 25 plus 7 whole by 25 whole by 25 minus 7 by 25. 25 get cancelled, this is full root. 25 plus 7 becomes 32 by this is 25 minus 7, 18. Take this one. So two table will be dividing as 16 by 9. Put here minus, minus, minus. So you can write here this is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is the value of cot A by 2. Next one, IMP question is there for object. This question is IMP in object. If 0 less than, theta less than pi by 8. Fourth question, third one. If 0 less than, theta less than pi by 8. 0 less than, theta less than pi by 8, show that square root of 2 plus like that. Square root of 2 plus, again square root of 2 plus, again square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. We should prove this one. Is equal to 2 cos theta. Take LHS. Root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. That is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus, here take 2 common, 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta, 1, 2, 3 roots. Let us remember the formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. that is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of, this is 2 into 1 plus cos, here cos theta meaning cos square theta. If cos 4 theta is there, here it is cos square 2 theta. Now you write here 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta, that is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 4 cos square 2 theta, that is equal to root of 2 plus again root of 2 plus 4 cos square 2 theta. The root is 2 cos 2 theta. Let us write the continuation here. That is equal to root of 2 plus root of, here 2 you take common, it becomes within the bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta, formula 2 cos square theta. Root of 2 plus, here 2 is 4 cos square theta. So you can write this is the root of 4 cos square theta. So root of 2 plus this is simply 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta, that is root of 2 you take common here, it becomes 1 plus cos theta. I think you know that the submultiple angle formula 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So it is 4 cos square theta by 2. The value of 4 cos square theta by 2 is 2 cos theta by 2. This is RHS. So from this to this we have proved using this one. In objective, if you face such question, simply you can put here theta is equal to 0. Of course, even 0 does not, theta does not pi by 8. So you should not apply. By using this one, if you put shortcut here, it becomes 0. 2 plus 2 meaning 4. 4 root 2. 2 plus 2 meaning again 4. 4 root 2. 2 plus 2 meaning again 4. 4 root 2. So simply if you are putting 0 here, cos 0 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2. So verification of option is better in calculating objective sums. Now, extreme values are the fifth question. Let us going to discuss about fifth question. Periodicity and extreme values we discuss. Cos 2x plus cos square x is given. Fifth question. Find the extreme value of. Find the extreme value of cos 2x plus cos square x. Cos 2x plus cos square x. Students, let us discuss the formula of range of cos x comma sin x is equal to minus 1 comma and the range of plenty of graphs we have drawn. Range of cos square theta or sin square theta is equal to 0 comma 1. Graphs we have drawn, and you remember as formula also. So range means extreme values. Extreme values means minimum maximum values. You can write here minus 1 plus 0 because of this one minus 1. Cos maybe 2x or anything, cos value range minimum value minus 1 and maximum value 1. We have drawn graphs also and we have learned using graphs. Maximum value here 1, here also 1. So that is equal to here minus 1 comma 2 is the extreme value. Fifth question, minus 1 comma 2 exercise 6b. Yeah, exactly. Next question is there. Fifth one, second question. Find the extreme values of 3 sin square x plus extreme values of 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. In the similar way, we had written here sin square theta, cos square theta range is 3, right, is 0 comma 1. So you should write like this: 3 into 0 plus 5 into 0 comma 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1. So that is equal to here 0 comma 8. No. Maybe this much, may not be. You should convert the, let us try to understand. Take the sin square of cos square. Let us once see, maybe 0 comma 8 given or not. It is not correct way. So 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x is given. So let us going to discuss in only one term, not sin square cos square. So 3 into 1 minus cos square x, right here. 3 into 1 minus cos square x plus 5 cos square x. That is equal to 3 minus 3 sin, 3 minus 3 cos square x, 3 minus 3 cos square x plus 5 cos square x. That is equal to, you write here 2 plus 3 plus 2 cos square x. So now you write range. Range is nothing but minimum max value. So you write 3 plus 2 into 0 comma 3 plus 2 into 1, because here the formula range of sin square comma cos square equal to 0 comma 1. So 3 plus 2 into 0 is 3 comma, this is 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 comma 5 is the range of the given value. Now another sum is there, lengthy sum. Okay students, let us continue the next topic, 6th, 7th questions in next class. In tomorrow class we can